Someone's watching us.
Hi there, need a lift?
Sure, why not?
My friend Jake lives up the road a bit. I bet he can help you out. You remind me of my friend from high school. We got into so much trouble back then. Let me tell you about this girl he once dated. She was really a slut. I even slept with her once. Some of the best sex I've ever had. Oh, it didn't mean anything. I got drunk after church once and she came on to me repressed emotion. I knew I shouldn't have lent him my chainsaw, but I was his friend. After he cut her up, he jumped off the old bridge just before they tore it down. They never found his body. But then with the alligators, how could they expect to? Oh, here's Jake.
I've come to see you.
What? You came to see me? How nice. Who are you and who sent you? I must know these things.
I'm a plumber.
Really?
I came here today to take you down.
And just how are you going to do that?
Is that the last of your friends?
Are you really just a plumber?
Who'd you expect? Elvis?